जान से प्यारा तिरंगा चांद पे लहराएंगे 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 लहराएंगे.
Today is the day when we remember and pay homage to the millions of Indians who unflinchingly laid down their lives in the service of this country. It is the day when we forgive our enemies, because forgiveness is an attribute of the strong. Today is the day when we reach out to our fellow countrymen and help those in need. And finally and most importantly, today is when we remind ourselves of the promises that we made, of the oaths that we took, and the vows that we vowed to keep when India became free.
इस मंच के माध्यम से मैं यह कहना चाहता हूं कि हम सबको अपना कर्तव्य का पूर्ण पालन कर बेहतर भारत का निर्माण में अपना योगदान देना चाहिए. प्रत्येक भारत से मैं गुजारिश करता हूं कि भारत के प्रति प्रेम और सम्मान साल के केवल 2 दिन नहीं परंतु जीवन के हर पल अपने दिल में बसाए रखें. भारत की प्राचीन संस्कृति और सभ्यता, जो दुनिया की शायद सबसे प्राचीनतम सभ्यता है, उसे बचाए रखें, क्योंकि इस पे सिर्फ भारत का हित नहीं परंतु पूरे दुनिया का हित है. इसी के साथ मैं अपने शब्दों को विराम देते हुए आप सबके सामने 2 पंक्तियां प्रस्तुत करना चाहूँगा. जो इस देश का नमन करना छोड़ दे, जो यह देश का नमन करना छोड़ दे, कह दो उसे कि यह मेरा वतन छोड़ दे. मजहब प्यारा हो जिसे भारत नहीं, मजहब प्यारा हो जिसे भारत नहीं, कह दो कि भारत की इस पावन मिट्टी में दफन होना छोड़ दे. जय हिंद.
Happy Independence Day. In the view of the hard battles of our freedom fighters, we are currently ready to appreciate the opportunity and inhale the natural air as per our wish. Today, we may not agree with what people want to say, but we do fight for their rights to say it. No doubt our country has reached the pinnacle of success in various fields. The government and its people have made that possible, and us, proud Indians. However, a country needs not only the services of its government for improvement, it also needs an active participation of all the citizens.
भारत ही एक ऐसा देश है जहां अलग विचारों, संस्कृतियों तथा जातियों के लोग एकजुट होकर खुशी से एक साथ रहते हैं. हम मुक्त हैं और आज़ाद हैं. हालांकि हमें खुद को देश के प्रति अपनी जिम्मेदारियों से वंचित नहीं समझना चाहिए. हमें देश के जिम्मेदार नागरिक होने के नाते किसी भी आपातकालीन स्थिति के लिए हमेशा तैयार रहना चाहिए. अब अंत में हम युवा पीढ़ियों को एक शपथ लेना चाहिए कि हम सब देश के प्रति अपनी जिम्मेदारियों को निभाते हुए देश के कल के एक जिम्मेदार नागरिक होने का कर्तव्य निभाएंगे. जय हिंद, जय भारत.
You all young Indians, you need to be understand that you are the future of the country, and you need to be drive the country for coming maybe 60-70 years. Now, if we are independent from the extrinsic part, then what about these intrinsic things which are going on? Our forefathers have known about that, the freedom fighters known about that, okay, to whom they are going to fight. They took almost 90 years to make this country independent so that you will be enjoy the remaining things. They fought against the Britishers for 90 years, 1857 to 1947. There was no communication, there was no internet, there was no media, there was nothing like today, whatever facilities you are getting it. But still they were communicating. Still they have the same idea. They have the same thought going on. They know that, okay, what they are going to do it. And they know that, okay, they are sacrificing their life. They are not going to be enjoy their remaining life. They know that, okay, that 50 to 60 years of their life, they could enjoy that time. But no, they sacrificed because of us.
After 1940s, there were a lot of things which happened, especially which kind of were very difficult for the British. When we started with the Quit India movement, in the Quit India movement, there was absolutely no kind of cooperation given to the Britishers. And after that, in 1943, there was a Cripps mission, if you have heard the history. Then the Cripps had come, they wanted to seek some support and help from India regarding, they wanted help in the World War that was going on, and also some financial as well as help from the people. But because of the non-cooperation that was started with the Quit India movement, it was made very clear to the British that we cannot kind of provide any kind of help. And that was the point when the Indians almost got their victory. And when it happened, after 1945, Britishers realized that it was becoming extremely costly for them to continue here, and they were not being able to control. So finally, in a haste, they decided that they would leave. You have progressed and you are making a progress. But for a country, 70 years is nothing. Where the US is, it is more than 200 years old. The UK is, it was never reigned by any country. So these countries are there because of their complete freedom, and their age is much higher than ours. And we are a very young country right now. And we look forward to all of you to be understanding the cost of independence and to make sure that you are going to continue with this enlightenment and make sure that this country enriches itself. Today, I believe that the Prime Minister of India, when he was speaking in the morning, he has said a mantra, and he said that we Indians need to do this. So he said, reform, perform and transform. What has he said? Reform, perform and transform. So he said, if we can do this, we will do a great thing for our country. And what we need to do is not to reform, perform and transform something. Reform, perform and transform our own self. So I need to reform, I need to perform wherever I am. It is not that I am expected to go out on the railway station and perform there. No. Whatever I am doing in that particular job, I am supposed to perform. And if I am able to perform there, I will be able to transform the nation. So with that, I would leave you all with a great blessing and a hope that you are going to do a great impact on this country in the times to come. Jai Hind and Jai Bharat, and may God bless you all.